Hey there, welcome to Glow Mode. Let me ask you something. What if you could change the way you look and feel in just 30 days? No stress, no hard work, no waking up at 5 a.m., no crazy diets, just simple steps at work that make you feel good and help you glow up for summer. This is your 1-month glow up plan. It's easy, it's fun, and it's for anyone who wants to look better and feel better fast. So let's get started. Step 1. Eat better. Feel lighter. If you've been eating too much junk food or skipping meals, it's time to make a change. No need to stop eating. Just eat better. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and protein like eggs, chicken, and fish. Drink a big glass of water before you eat. Eat slowly. Don't rush. Try walking on a treadmill. 2. Walk for 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. Set the speed to 3 miles per hour and incline to 12 or 15%. This helps you burn fat and feel amazing. Step 2. Clean up your look. When you look clean, you feel clean. Trim your beard or shave. Cut your nails. Wash your face every morning and night. Put lotion on dry skin. Clean your ears and neck too. These small things make a big difference. People notice. Step 3. Get a summer tan. A light tan can make your skin glow and your muscles pop. Spend 10 to 20 minutes in the sun with sunscreen, or use a self-tanner if you don't want sunburn. Just don't overdo it. You want a healthy tan, not red skin. Step 4. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate means removing dead skin. It helps your skin look smooth and fresh. Use a scrub on your face once a week. Use a body scrub in the shower once or twice a week. Your skin will feel soft and glow more. Step 5. Take cold showers. Cold showers are hard at first, but they feel great after. They wake you up, make your skin tighter, make your hair look shiny, and cool you down on hot days. Try cold water for the last 30 seconds of your shower. Step 6. Drink more water. Water is magic. It helps your skin, helps your brain, helps you feel better. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water each day. If water is boring, add lemon or mint. Carry a water bottle everywhere. Step 7. Stop eating junk food. Say goodbye to chips, soda, candy, fast food, late night snacks. Eat clean for a few days and you'll already feel less bloated. Your skin will look better too. Step 8. Whiten your smile. You don't need perfect teeth, just clean, white ones. Brush twice a day. Use whitening toothpaste or strips. Floss every night. Then smile more. A bright smile makes your whole face look better. Step 9. Style your hair with sea salt spray. Want that cool, beachy summer hair? Spray sea salt spray on wet hair. Scrunch it with your hands. Let it dry. Boom. Messy, cool hair without going to the beach. Step 10. Wear simple accessories. You don't need to wear a lot. Just a little bit makes a big impact. A chain, a bracelet, a ring. It adds style without trying too hard. Step 11. Change your cologne. In summer, you need a fresh scent. Use light, citrusy, or clean-smelling cologne. Don't use too much. Just a spray or 2. Good scents bring good memories. Try Polo Blue or Tom Ford Neroli Portofino if you can. Bonus tips. These will make your glow up even better. Step 12. Fix your posture. Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back. Don't slouch. You'll look more confident and feel stronger too. Step 13. Sleep like a king. Sleep is where the magic happens. Sleep 7 to 9 hours each night. No phone before bed. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Good sleep equals good energy, good skin, and good mood. Step 14. Walk every day. Walking is easy and powerful. Walk outside. No phone. Just breathe and move. You'll feel calm. You'll feel clear. You'll feel alive. Step 15. Trim nose and ear hair. It sounds funny, but it matters. Use a small trimmer. Takes 1 minute. Looks clean and neat. Step 16. Clip your toenails. Don't let your feet look messy. Cut your toenails every week. Wash your feet in the shower. Wear clean socks. If you wear sandals, your feet should look good. Step 17. Stay fresh all day. Summer equals more sweat. liquid deodorant. Use baby powder to stay dry. Keep a fresh shirt if needed. Use face wipes to clean up. Smell nice. Feel nice. Stay fresh. Step 18. Practice quiet confidence. You don't need to be loud. Just calm, cool, present. Talk slower. Smile softly. Keep eye contact. Let others talk. Don't try to impress. Just be. People will feel your energy. Step 19. Take mirror selfies each week. Track your progress. Take one photo every week. Same spot. Same light. You'll start to see small changes. Your face, your skin, your eyes, your smile, your posture, and that will motivate you more. Step 20. Find your summer vibe. Your vibe is your style plus energy. What colors do you like? What music makes you feel cool? What hairstyle feels like you? What scent fits your personality? Find your style. Own it. Don't copy others. Step 21. Stick to your habits. This is the big one. Don't give up after 3 days. Do small steps every day. Be kind to yourself. If you mess up, just start again. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Step 22. Speak with power. The way you talk changes how people see you and how you see yourself. Slow down when you speak. Don't rush your words. Make your voice clear, calm, and confident. Don't mumble. Open your mouth, breathe, and speak with purpose. A strong voice makes people listen. It makes you look and feel more powerful. Final words. Let's go over the plan one more time. 11 simple habits, 10 extra glow-up tips, and 1 powerful new upgrade to your voice and presence. That's 22 steps in just 30 days. This isn't about being perfect. It's not about being the best. It's about becoming better, step by step. You'll feel cleaner. You'll look sharper. You'll walk taller. You'll smile brighter. And your energy will speak before you do. So now I ask you, which tip are you starting with? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe to Glow Mode. We consistently upload glow-up tips and tricks just for you. So turn on the notifications so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one. Peace out.